Okay, this is a podcast to review dimensional analysis in sig figs, which we're going to have a quiz on this Friday and a test next week. So the first thing that you need to know is that you're going to be given these equalities, or King Henry, on the quiz. So how we use this one is 1 base equals 100 centibase. Okay, you might be wondering, what is the base? But remember, base can be grams, meters, or liters. So basically this is saying 1 gram equals 100 centigrams, or 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Okay, this equality will be given to you, but you also might remember King Henry, and it'll be on there. So say you have this problem, 45 centimeters is equal to how many meters? The first thing you do is you have a question. The next thing you do is you figure out what is the equality between centimeters and meters. So we write, when we look here and we see, oh, there's centi. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. The next thing we do is we draw the T. You always, always, always put the opposite of the question mark in the box, the upper left. I say the given in the upper left. Then remember, units need to match diagonally. So this is centimeters. And we're going to have, we look, and our equality says 100 centimeters. That's why we write this, so that you can remember. And that's equal to 1 meter. Now, we multiply the top and divide by the bottom, which is going to mean that my answer is 0.45 meters. Okay, which makes sense that 45 centimeters is going to become 0.45 meters. Okay, remember the T is a fancy way of writing okay. Now, I also might ask you something like this. It was on your homework. Say I said 45 centimeters equals how many millimeters? Here you have two choices. You could do centimeters to meters in a T. Well, you have three choices. You could do centimeters to meters in a T, and then meters to millimeters. Or you could do a double T, which I'm going to show you, or you could do using King Henry. So let me show you with the double T. I have centimeters, so I look at my equalities. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. I also have millimeters, so I look at my equalities. 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. Then I have two equalities now, so I can draw the T, but since I have two equalities, I know that it's going to be a double T. 45 still goes here. It's centimeters. Then we have centimeters, so this is 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Then we say 1 meter equals 1,000 centimeters. No, millimeters. We multiply the top and divide by the bottom, and we get 450. Okay. Millimeters. Another way of doing this problem would have been to say that so I could do it down here. We had 45 centimeters equals how many millimeters? You might know that 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So then you could draw the T, 45, and you'd get 450. You would know this because of King Henry. Okay, centimeters to millimeters is 10. Okay, or if we ask kilometers to millimeters, you would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to end up with 6 zeros. Okay, so that is dimensional analysis. Then we also have sig figs, which, remember, the 3 rules all have to do with the zeros. So say we have 0.05080. These zeros are in front of the non-zero, so they never count. This 0 is in between, so it always counts. And this one is after. It only counts if there's a decimal, and I see a decimal right here. So it counts. So this number has 4 sig figs. Okay, we're going to review before you take your quiz, but hopefully this helps you to remember the process of dimensional analysis. Thanks.